Alright, what's up guys? I know I've been slacking lately. I've been really sick, still kind of sick, you can hear my voice. But I wanted to show you guys the diffuser I told you guys by Jake at Down One Customs. It's just aluminum. Traded him for my harness bar. Nothing too crazy, just I wanted something simple. And I really haven't showed you guys the wing that much either, so wasn't giving you guys that great of angles as you guys said, but here's the wing. We'll talk about fitment issues, fitment right now. So as you can see, this side is very flush with the glass. There's no lift on the glass at all, but if you work your way over here, not flush. I can actually even fit my finger under it. You guys may can even see it's not even touching the glass. So that's number one issue. Number two issue was the bolts didn't really line up. So let's open this up. This bolt right here, you guys may have remember us talking, we had to re-drill a hole. Now, a lot of you guys said to riv nut it. Well, we just re-drilled a hole, epoxied a nut on the other side, and drilled it in, and it worked. So, for VIS saying that this was basically bolt right in, no real complete issues, that's a lie. You're definitely going to need issues, and also, body shops will turn you down because they don't want to do it. We also found that it wasn't just fiberglass, the wing, it actually was, there's the fiberglass and then there's a layer of metal inside of it and then fiberglass on the other side. So that was also an issue. Another little gripe is, as you can see, I don't know if I mentioned it or not, there's two holes that you can see on this side, only one hole on this side because this isn't cut as short, where this side is basically cut straight to the bolt and washer and all that. Just a little nitpicky thing, nothing great, nothing huge. I am gonna clear coat the carbon fiber deck at some point, and I will probably at some point paint that gloss black, but it's not necessary right now because there's much higher things on my list like track tires, possibly a new turbo. We'll get into that greater details, that's why I'm actually here. It'll be whole. I'll catch you guys up if it falls through, if whatever we're looking for happened. But the reason I want to do gloss black is because gloss black goes with a lot of things. If I ever decide to do another wrap, which I'll probably do in the future, it will go easily with any color wrap I want. The whole white wing on a white car, looking at all the other cars on Instagram, I didn't like the look of the color match wing. It's just almost too much. I like how the black breaks up the car, because I do have a black roof. That's gloss black. And I think it just makes the car, it breaks it up how it should be. But one thing I really like about the wing though is this LED third brake light. It's really big. I've yet to wire it up. I need to cut the old piece out of my old wing. But yeah, that's basically kind of a little update. My side skirt almost ripped off on the freeway, like 3 screws came out of it, so need to redo that. But I'll see you guys in a little bit.